plot twist, boo boo. Boo boo. You want to see the end. Wagwan T crew, you don't know, it's your girl T checking in with yet another video. And if this is your first video on my channel, welcome. I hope this video is enough for you to stick around, subscribe, and join the notification gang. And if you are a long-time subscriber, a true supporter, welcome back. I really appreciate all of you guys for clicking on this video. Now, as you can tell by the title, I will be putting this new Juvia's Place foundation to the test. If you are not new to my channel, then you know your girl got some acne. I got some acne scars, I got textured skin, I got my old book I deal with. So when Juvia's Place, one of my favorite brands, I'm always repping Juvia's Place all day, every day on this channel. So when I heard they was coming out with foundations, your girl was like, Juvia's Place is known for high quality products, so I was super excited to put this to the test. With all the rave that's going on the internet, oh my god, it was so hard to ignore. I was trying my super duper best to not watch any review video because I wanted to do a review video. However, it was impossible. It was hard. I mean, I wanted to see what was going on. I mean, you seen titles and you see people calling it the world's they said it was running Dermacol, and you know Dermacol has the title for the world's most full coverage foundation. Now they were saying, honey, Juvia's Place foundation came for the title. So of course, due to the fact that everybody that was saying this, every review that I've seen so far, all these ladies have beautiful skin, which I adore, and I'm grateful for, because I'm glad you ain't gotta deal with what I gotta deal with, you know what I'm saying? But with that being said, I'm like, is it gonna work for me and my acne sisters? Is it gonna work for us? So with that being said, you know, I had to put it to the test. So that's what this video is more geared towards, putting it to the test. Anyways, you guys, also let's not forget the concealer. However, I'm more hype about the foundation, to be honest. The concealer, it did its thing, but you know what I'm saying, like, it did its thing. It did its thing. What else I gotta say? What else I gotta say? I don't know. I think that's it. So with all of that being said, let's get right into the video. Let's not waste any more time and jump right into this tutorial. As per usual, I'm going to start off with my Eden dark brown pencil, and I am just going to outline the bottom and top part of my brow, and then I fill it in. This is the I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in the shade 400, which is called Ethiopia. We have 30 milliliters in here. This is how the packaging looks. You could squeeze it, and I like that. This is not a bad match. I could work with this. This is a super full coverage foundation. It is very, very thick. It is buildable. Like, with my skin type, I was expecting it. All the reviews that I've seen, I can understand why somebody with clear skin or just a little spot here and there can say, oh, this is super full coverage, or this is the world's most full coverage. However, I had to, you know, do a little something to get the full capabilities out of it. As you could tell, the very, very dark spot that I have right here, majority of it is covered. Like, when I go super close with my mirror, I could definitely see a little something. But maybe by the time we conceal and contour and all of that stuff, it will be gone. So with that being said, let's move on to the concealer. This is the biggest concealer I've ever seen. How much do we get? We get 10 milliliters, which is 0.34 fluid ounce. Yeah, I'm not figured it out. I can't. This is absolutely so big, you guys. Now I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to conceal my brows. So the concealer is not as thick as the foundation. Honestly, you guys, these products is just so amazing. It's nothing bad to say about it, and it's not really like it's exceeding my expectations, because Juvia's Place is known for their amazing products. So with that being said, I mean, it's no surprise, it's no shocker. These products are definitely freaking amazing. Okay, now I'm going to contour. I don't normally do cream contour, but I am feeling cream contour from the other day, so I'm just going to take my black Opal and black Walnut and go with a little product on my brush, and I'm just going to dab that. Now I'm gonna take my damn beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend out everything. What the damn sponge is gonna do, and this is why I use both a sponge and a brush in my makeup routine. The sponge is going to go in and lift up all of the excess product that is on the skin and make the foundation and everything blend together and look more skin-like. We're going to take that same damp beauty blender and my Sacha Buttercup Setting powder, and we are going to go ahead and put it all over. And then after that, I am going to take my black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm going to take this one right here and sculpt my face. And I'm going to take this one straight around the face, this middle one right here. Then I'm gonna take contour, and I'm just going to lightly dust contour right over here, just a little bit, just darken it up. And then I'm going to take my Milani Medium Moyen number 7 all over face powder and my Farah 50F brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and sweep that in all the areas that I did not put powder on as yet. And then I'm going to go into my LA Girl Brow Pomade, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. Now I'm going to spray my face with my Mario Badescu facial spray, and this is going to set the powders. Next, I'm going to put on some lashes because I'm totally not doing anything to the eyes for this video, if you thought. Anyways, I'm using some Kiss So Wispy in number 8 lashes, and you guys, I have been dying to wear these lashes. All right, let's put these lashes on. Y'all want to see me put on my lash? I don't think y'all want to see me put on my lash, so I'm gonna go ahead, put on these lashes, and come right back. Okay, and now that these lashes are on, it took a hot little minute, you guys. I don't know why, but it took a hot little minute. But okay, I had to stop breathing for a minute. But as per usual, I'm just going to go ahead and put some dots on my face. Y'all know what the usual is. I'm just putting like dots on like my raised pimples. I'm going to take my Juvia's Place loose highlighter, and I'm going to go in with my Morphe M501 brush, and I'm just going to highlight. Next, I'm going to take my Juvia's Place in the shade Soil. That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate the love and the support. Don't forget to also show me some love on Instagram at not_your_perfect. Also my Snapchat at tee.small. Don't forget to check out my description box down below. Everything used in this video will be listed in the description box, including the Juvia's Place website. If this video was helpful to you at all, please share, like, and comment. And if you like me enough to subscribe, then go ahead and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. You know what? I'm gonna put it right here for you so you can subscribe. So subscribe and watch my last video right here. Period. I mean, you got some time. Until next video, please do remember that I am not your perfect, and you should be your own version of perfection. Bye.